Hold on.
My bike.
You're going to pedal, not just pedal it, but ride it, right?
Yeah. Well,
Can you even get on?
I think I have to get on from the other
The other
side.
way is easier?
Yeah. It's kind of fast. Different.
It's okay, you won't fall. I know you won't. So here I go.
Here I go. I'm gonna be careful of that stick.
I moved the stick, Cole. Go, go, Cole, go, go. What? Pedal hard, pedal fast. Here comes your sister. Uh-oh. You got to put your foot on that pedal and push.
I'm pushing.
Come on. You got to push. Tilt your heel back and push. Not down, not down.